form of binomial distribution is P x is equal to x is equal to 32cx, 32 and is equal to 32. 1 by 4 that means success, small p raised to the power x, and q that means failure, 3 by 4 raised to the power 32 minus x, and here the limit, the value of the x is equal to what? 0, 1 up to 32. But we find in a question, we find the value of p x is greater than equal to 2. That means the value of x is equal to what? Starting from x is equal to 2, because here the sign is greater than equal to. So on the limit is 32. So we find the value of p x equal to 2, p x equal to 3, p x equal to 4 up to p x is equal to 32. So this is a very long process for finding the value of p x greater than equal to 2. But we already know that our starting number is what? 0 to 32. In case p x greater than equal to 2, that means equal to 2, starting from equal to 2 to 32. So in this term, we write here 1 minus p x less than 2. Okay, we write this formula because of 1 minus p x less than 2 is equal to what? P x greater than or equal to 2, and here the total probability is always 1. So we write this form is 1 minus p x less than 2. X less than 2, that means which number is included in x less than 2? 0 and 1. So we write here 1 minus p x equal to 0 plus p x is equal to 1. Okay, so according to this p x equal to 0 and p x is equal to 1, we use these values. Okay, because of here we write p x is equal to x. That means what? First we put small x is equal to 0 in this binomial format, and after that we put capital X is equal to small x and small x is equal to 1. So we write here x is equal to 1. So 1 minus px is equal to 0. That is 32 c 0 1 by 4 raised to the power 0 3 by 4 raised to the power 32 minus 0. Okay, next is 32 c1, because of we put here x is equal to 1. So 32 c1 1 by 4 raised to the power 1. Okay, and 3 by 4 raised to the power what? 32 minus 1. That means 31. Okay, so after that we solve this term and we get the value of p x greater than equal to 2. Okay, so here solve this value. So 1 minus 32c0, that means 1. Why? Here 32c0, that means what? Factorial, and that means factorial 32, factorial x, that means factorial 0, and factorial n minus x. Okay, so factorial 0 is 1, 32 minus 0, that means 32. So 32, 32 cancel, so we get the 1 value. So here 1 minus 1, 1 by 4 raised to the power 0, that means 1. 3 by 4 raised to the power 32 minus 0, that means what? 3 by 4 raised to the power 32 plus 32c1. So 32c1, that means what? Here put 32c1. So 32c1 is equal to factorial 32, factorial 1, factorial 32 minus 1, that means factorial 31. So solve this step. Factorial 1, that means 1. Here if we open this term 32 factorial, so we write here 32 into factorial 31. We write this form of 32 into factorial 31. So 31, 31 cancel. So we write here the 32. That means 32c1 is equal to 32 into 1 by 4 raised to the power 1. That means what? 1 by 4. Got it? And here 3 by 4 raised to the power 32. here 3 by 4 raised to the power 32 and here 3 by 4 raised to the power 31. So the common factor is what? 3 by 4 raised to the power 31 is common factor. So we write 1 minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 31. So remaining term is what? Here 31 is a common factor. So we write the 3 by 4 because of 3 by 4 raised to the power 31 and 3 by 4 raised to the power 1. So base is same. The sum of the power is 31 plus 1, that is 32. So here the remaining term is 3 by 4 plus 32 by 4. Okay, so 32 by 4, that means 8. So after solving this term, we get the value of 0.9988. This is our final answer. That means our question, find the p x greater than equal to 2. So if we use p x greater than equal to 2, that means p x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, up to what? X is equal to 32. So this is a very long process. Okay. So what is the trick? Trick is that we find the x greater than equal to 2. That means here 0 and 1 is not included in this term. Okay. So if we write 1 minus 0 and 1 term, two terms are subtract from 1, then we get the px greater than equal to 2. So always keep in mind, if given this type of question, so we use this pattern. Okay. So we write 1 minus p x less than 2. That means our starting term is what? Starting term is starting from 0. So we write 1 minus p x equal to 0 and p x equal to 1. And after that, this form is a binomial distribution. So after putting all these values, and our final answer is 0.9988. Okay. Next example is given if mu and sigma square of binomial distribution are 4 and 4 by 3. So find p x greater than equal to 1. So solution is, first we write here mu is equal to 4 and sigma square is equal to 4 by 3 given in our question. So first mu is equal to np is equal to, we write here 4 and sigma square is equal to np cube is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so first this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Okay, so first np cube divided by np is equal to 4 by 3 divided by 4. Okay, because of npq is equal to 4 by 3, values and mu is equal to np is equal to 4. So here 4 cancel and this is equal to what? 1 by 3. That means np cancel. So we get the value of q is equal to 1 by 3. So if the value of q is equal to 1 by 3, so what is the value of p? Value of p is equal to 1 minus q. That means 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. That is p is equal to 2 by 3. After finding the value of p and q, our next step is what? Next step is we find the small n. So small n, we put the value of p is equal to 2 by 3 in this equation. So put the value of p in equation number 1. So we get n p is equal to 4 given that. So we put n into 2 by 3 is equal to 4. That means n into 2 by 3 is equal to 4. So n is equal to what? 4 into 3 divided by 2, that means 6. So n is equal to 6. Okay. Put all these three values in the binomial distribution form. So we write p capital X is equal to small x is equal to ncx p raised to the power x q raised to the power n minus x, where x is equal to 0, 1 up to n. Okay, so here we write n is equal to 6. So 6 c x p raised to the power p is equal to what? P is equal to 2 by 3. So we write here 2 by 3 raised to the power x, and the value of q is equal to 1 by 3. So we put here 1 by 3 raised to the power n minus x. That means 6 minus x. Okay, so this is the form of the binomial distribution. And after here we write the value of x is equal to, starting from 0 up to here, the value of n. So we write 0, 1 up to 6. Okay, but this is not our final answer because this is the format of the binomial distribution. We find px greater than equal to 1. That means just like a previous example, if we find the px greater than equal to 1, that means we find the value of px equal to 1, because of here, see here the equal to sign is also include this greater than equal to 1. So first we find the value of p x equal to 1, p x equal to 2, p x equal to 3 up to p x is equal to 6. So this is a very long process. So how we find the p x greater than equal to 1? That means in this term 0 is not included in this term. Okay, so here we write p x greater than equal to 1 is equal to what? 1 minus p x less than 1. Okay, so p x less than 1, that means what? P x equal to 0. So we write here 1 minus p x is equal to 0. So this is very short solution because of we use the trick. Trick, that means what? The probability is always 1. Total probability is always 1. So always every question use this type of term. So our question process is not very lengthy. Okay. So here we write 1 minus p x is equal to 0. That means here we put x is equal to 0. So 6c0 2 by 3 raised to the power 0 and 1 by 3 raised to the power 6 minus 0. That means what? 6. Okay. So 6c0. That means 1. Okay. 2 by 3 raised to the power 0. That means 1. So we get the value of 1 by 3 raised to the power 6. So here we write 1 minus 6 is 0, 1. 2 by 3 raised to the power 0, 1. So here we write 1 by 3 raised to the power 6. Okay. Solve this step and we get the value of 0.9986. Okay, so this is our final answer for the value of p x greater than equal to 1. Okay, thank you for watching this video.